Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Alright. It's been a month since. Oh my god. What does free for profit beats message mean? Essentially, uh, the distributor thinks that you used a beat from YouTube. Yeah, that's essentially what it means. Like, free for profit beats means that uh you used the beat from YouTube and you just sung on it or just rapped on it. Also, is the stream working just fine? Because my network is acting up right now. My network is doing funny things right now. It looks fine for me anyway. I hope we can get it resolved. I hope that's good. But I'm really worried that this stream is it might be because what happened? My stream my network is acting up. I don't like I don't like how my ISP is dropping frames. Um Maybe I should try variable bitrate, but it drops to 0. Okay, I do hope it doesn't just drop suddenly. Okay. It is dropping. Yeah, it is dropping. Okay. We already have 2 concurrent viewers. So what you're currently hearing is the demo version of Internet Girl, but I'm gonna still show you guys anyway how this goes. Hang on. I'm just gonna do a casual. Okay, so it's like 5,000 kilobits, and then it drops down to. Yep. It plops back down to like 4,000, 3,000 to 2,000. So, okay. I'll show you guys how I made the Internet Girl, because my distributor keeps on complaining that I've used the free for profit B even though I haven't. So I'll show you guys. So I currently have my FL Studio set up here, just so I can show you. Although I'll go back to. Okay, so we got the project open. She'll open my foot into a studio. Oh my god. So it's a digicore song. Now I'm pretty sure you guys have heard my lyrics, so yeah. Now when I made this, I actually made this song out of boredom, out of my own feelings, but um this is my first ever trap beat, so to say. This is like my first ever hyper pop beat, and this is also the first beat I actually ever sung in. So I think it's pretty new for my distributor to just to have me suddenly release a trap beat. So they will think that I've used a free for profit service, even though I did it. Go ahead and Okay, we're back. We're back at 5,000 kilobits. So yeah. So here's the project. Still opening. they're still opening a lot of stuff. So, what do you guys want to talk about while we're starting? So currently, this is my first ever trap song, my first ever hyperpop song, and it's also my first ever vocal song. So, uh, connect two and two, like three and three together. It's kind of like, um, it's kind of like somebody else trying to somebody else using a trap beat or something. Where do you have it? Okay, I'm gonna go back to the screen. Okay, so we're back in FL Studio once again. Yeah, do not mind the drop frames here. One plugins cannot be loaded. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter much because this is a simple track breakdown. Although I'll probably just reload the entire project. I hope that the VST will load this time. And what I'm currently doing is hopping back and forth between networks, so that if one network is congested, I just go back to the 5 gigahertz network. If that's congested as well, I just go back to the 2.4 gigahertz network. Even though I know that's not how it works, I just try it anyway. Let's go back to our coming soon screen. We're starting soon screen. Pardon me. So it's been a month. No, yeah, yes. It's been I'd say it's been a month since that last stream, I guess. Although I haven't streamed in like 2 weeks. I've missed 2 weeks of my own schedule because there's a lot of things that have happened in my life that, that just made me skip 2 streams this month. Like even though it was my first month at March 7th, I was still unable to actually stream because I have prom. I have practice for prom. And in fact, prom is tomorrow. So this is probably my last stream before prom, you know. So we currently have Internet Girl. Hang on. Let me check back and see the DMs. Okay. So we got the sound design is made by me. So here's the mixer. I'll enable every effect in here just so that you can see that I've been working on this. And you can even see that my CPU is not is acting up. So I think I'll remove some of the chain here. Especially on the vocals because it has a compressor on it that just kills everything, as you can see. Should we also oh yeah, it's already on the lowest setting. Yeah, so as you can see, Internet Girl, let's go. I'll turn off the preview just in case. I'll still be able to see that chat. So alright. Story time. So this project actually this entire project started in December 2024. However, I actually did not consider adding vocals to it. Never. And in fact, it wasn't even supposed to be a trap song. Now, it was just supposed to be a simple it was just supposed to be a simple dance, happy hardcore beat, just like what I always do with my music. But I was working on another project recently called Basement Pavement, a song about that last stream, and I was like, I got carried away. I didn't know what beat to make, but I do have the idea for vocals, but I didn't know what beat to make, so I just worked on this scrap dance project and turned it into trap, so that turn it into trap, just so that I can get the gears going, and when I do hop on that project, I'll be able to come up with something. But I ended up working on this beat instead of Basement Pavement, and here we are, Internet Girl. So I actually did not consider adding vocals here. No, I only did on like a random Monday. On a random Monday, I was like on a random Monday. Um, I suddenly got inspired to add vocals to it. So here, but I'll show you guys. So this is the drums for the entire thing. Yeah, you can even hear the crispiness in my audio. Yeah, I'll just disable everything. Yeah, as you can see, it does sound like a free for profit beat if you think about it. Although this is made by me by myself. I'll probably enable the basses because that sounds ass. I'll disable the deep blue glitch and the reverb. Yeah, fun fact. This song is originally in the key of like D flat major. That's the actual key of the song. But in the final master, what I did is I increased it by 0.58 semitones. So essentially I added very speed, what some people call very speed into the song, and more make it more faster, make it more higher pitched, and it does sound like it's more hyper. So like that's the actual final master, but in the song itself, here. So this is my actual vocals. You look at that. Look at that vocal chain using everything. As you can see. That's the dried out vocal chain. If I did this, look at how the stream lag is so funny. I know. Like it's not lagging. um, it is really laggy. That's one thing. I wanna smash my router into pieces, but no, I'm not gonna do that. Um, yeah, I'll reconnect to. Okay, we're back. We're back at the 5G network, and immediately we're seeing drop frames. Oh no. Okay, I switched back networks. It should work fine now. Oh yeah, we're back. We're back. So that's the vocals of the song, as you can see. It's just 3 simple layers. Like, it's not complex. I didn't even bother adding doubles to this because this project is so rushed. Because I want to release this a day before prom, and I did. I did release this a day before prom. Tomorrow's gonna be prom, so prom day, and this is this the song before it. I also have another song called All Over Again as well. As you can see, my CPU is dying. I'll probably just turn everything off. You're gonna have to bear with the dry signal. As you can see. So this is a melody. Now originally this is supposed to be in C major. Okay. That's supposed to be in C major. That's in like the really early demos of it from December. But I switched it to D flat to D major. Right? Yeah, this is supposed to be in D major. But I was in a dilemma if I should keep it if I should put it at D flat or D. And so I asked my friend. I was like, hey, which sounds better? Is it D flat or D or does it sound better like when it's a semitone down or something? And she said yes. So I just decided to keep on using D flat major, but I did increase it by 0.58 semitones. So it's kind of like D flat major, but not D what? D flat sharp. I don't know. Whatever. Happy prom day. Yes. Maybe wait. Should I do a stream before prom? So close to sounding Nightcore. You know what? Hang on. What if Nightcore? Let's turn off everything. Let's turn off all the effects because it's using a lot of my CPU. Because we're gonna be doing a silly stretching, right? I'll be just turning off every single effect in this rack. Okay, every single effect, so that I can I get like as much I get as minimal CPU usage as possible. Yeah, so this is. It kind of sounds like Nightcore. What if I just increase it by like, what? 58 cents. Let's turn this up to 100. Oh no, it's taking a lot. It's taking forever to do this, isn't it? Now I think we need to make this a bit faster. So instead of doing stretching like that, what if we resample this? We put this back to resampling. We reset everything, and we're just gonna be brought back by this, and then we just increase the speed. Nightcore. Nightcore. I sound like a baby. Oh my god. Wait, there's no audio? Hang on. I wanna hear this monstrosity. Y'all wanna hear this monstrosity? I actually Nightcore. Oh my god. Breaking news! SkySorcerer gets a Grammy. In my dreams. Guys, Nightcore version. It kind of sounds good though. But the thing is, it makes the song even shorter. So instead of like a 1 minute, it's it's 1 minute and 4 seconds. Best Nightcore songs in 2015. Let's enable the mastering plugins. That's so silly. Oh, I love that. And we're supposed to. I love how I'm supposed to show this stream to like a distributor, but we're just gonna goof around and make a Nightcore remix. What if we just make it even shorter? Like immensely short. Okay, I sound like a chipmunk now. That's the original song. Wait, what if we just okay? So this is in D flat. So what if we just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 semitone. 1,000. I just realized it doesn't sound much different. The 1 semitone version doesn't sound as much different as the 0.58 semitone. That was unnecessary, man. What about 2? What about 500? This is Sugar Crash. This is Sugar Crash all over again. So true. Wait, this would be funny. What if I just auto detect this? And what's double 180? What's the double 180? Oh, I forgot. 360. Okay. What if we just make? What if we just put this as like 360 BPM? Slow it down version. Wait. I can just see I can just imagine the TikTok edits. Wait, my mom is calling. Hang on. Hang on. I'm Barack. No, I'm not Barack Obama, but I'm Barack. The demon edits, bro. The demon edit potential of this song. Now, what if we just what if we just do a half of the song? So this is 180 BPM, and what if we just do 90? 2x speed. No, that's a bit too fast. Right, what if we just do what's adjusted? But the Nightcore. Spirits fade. Actually, I did have an alternate version of the vocal where I did apply pitch correction. I did apply pitch shifting. Oh, that's so loud. That's so distorted. Hang on. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. So this is like the original vocal. It sounds like it came from Porter Robinson's Nurture. And that's kind of the point of the vocal of this plugin. It kind of makes it sound like higher pitched. It makes it sound like it came from Porter Robinson's Nurture. If you've listened to Porter Robinson like Nurture, let's say like Look at the Sky, you're gonna hear a lot of this effect going on because this higher pitched version of himself is a symbolization of his inner voice. So yeah, we're back at sound design tab. I'll go back to the starting point because okay. So the Nightcore. So I'll show you guys like a breakdown of this entire track. Well, we don't have any viewers. That's yeah bye. That's not good. We're back at it again. G. Yeah, so okay. Okay, good thing we're back on the normal internet connection because man, that was insane. So back at it again. Here's FL Studio. It's time to actually show you guys the breakdown of this song. So this is the entire project. Here are all the channels. I'll give you guys story time as I show you guys each track of the song. So yeah, look at the CPU graph. That's not working good. That's not going well. It's not doing well. Okay. So I have the melody here, the meaty sauce, and we have this, the drums, automation, and then vocals. So that's the sandwich, that's the layers. And I'll show you guys each and every one of them. So this is the melody, the lead melody. This is possibly like the earliest part of the song. This is like the first thing that I've made before branching this out into what becomes Internet Girl. Let me just turn off my entire vocal chain. There we go. As well as my mastering chain too. Here. Right? As you can see, I just added a bunch of like OTT on it. OTT, purely parametric EQ, deep blue glitch, KH. So the intro has these plugins enabled, and it's controlled by this automation, by these automations. As you can see, a lot of parameters are being automated in this. It's kind of insane. Look at how it goes. Although in its simplest form, it's OTT for the parametric EQ2, and I think this as well. This is just like the high pass filter. Yeah, the high pass filter. It helps cut out the lows as well. And the bass, pretty simple as well. It's just OTT and fresh air for the limiter for the sidechain. Drums, we have for the entire bus. We have the free clip 2 plugin. I just have a clipper because I want these drums to hit hard, and I don't want it to hit 0. I don't want to hit the limit. I don't want the drums to hit the limiter first. So I added a clipper to it so that it's more refined. It's more uniform. With the waveform is more uniform, I guess. So there's a lot of percussion in here. Producer tag, a bunch of OTT and delay, as always. Vocals. This is pretty interesting. So I have 2 de-essers on, a compressor, although I don't have this enabled. I actually have this disabled. Even though I have a compressor like the 1176, I have it disabled. Fruity parametric EQ2, TDR Nova for again, I guess de-essing and also like also removing out muddiness in the mix. And OTT, we can't forget OTT and fresh air, just to bring up those highs, and a clipper plugin, just in case if my vocals are a bit too loud, and the fruity limiter for sidechain, like for sidechain, I guess. Now some people might say that you don't sidechain vocals, and I guess that's one thing to do it. But I like my vocals pumping. I like my kick pumping more. Okay, so that's pretty much the mix so far. Now this is the first part that I've done, as well as the chords. This part, like these are the earliest parts of the project. I just added a bunch of more layers as well. And then I added the sub and the mid bass. Once again, I added a melody ARP. It sounds so cute. It sounds so kawaii because because even though I'm making trap music, I still am a kawaii artist. Look at how cute that is. Look at how cute sounding that is. Look at that. Like you can just go all with it. I might be able to actually make a song out of this lead. I somehow did that with like Z with the highest buffer size, but yeah. It's really kawaii. Although the glitch plugin is doing wonders on my CPU right now. So that's Serum. It's just a simple preset that I made. It's just pretty simple. I added a bunch of distortion, delay, reverb, and all it really is just a short attack. It's just a short decay, with basic shapes. So as you can see, it's just a square wave alongside this. They sound pretty similar, but I like layering them. No, let's try playing something in here. Why are you here? Okay. Oh, okay. Never mind. Can we disable the glitch plugin again? Oh, wow. Yep. Look how laggy that is. And back to the project. Now for the drums. This is another interesting one. So I just layered a bunch of perk loops as well. A bunch of perk loops. And this is the kick pattern. Then a snare loop. I layered it with the mafia snare. Yeah. Another one. That's the open hats. And a slight bit of percussion. Just to add ambience. And the hi-hats. And another one. Together. I've shown you guys the vocal chain already. I'll dabble on it later. As you can see, my computer hates this project with a passion. But hey, I'm here. Somehow. Yeah, you can even see my VTuber model lagging because with FL. Yeah, because it just doesn't like it. It just doesn't like this. Especially with the masker on and the vocal chain. Yeah. There was even an instance where my PC legit blue screen from all of this. So, okay, this is a pretty short one actually, because I'm pretty much just showing you what the track is, and I've pretty much showing you everything. I guess the next logical song, the next song that I'm gonna be showing you is actually um all over again. The second song in Internet Girl. So, not only we're releasing Internet Girl, we also have All Over Again, which is also really different because this is a trance song. This is inspired by worlds and virtual self, and this is really contrasting to my trap song as well. Now, whenever now as you can see, this is another project. With this another project, this one is made way early. This one is made, I guess, made before I started working started adding vocals to Internet Girl, the beat. Like this is like in context, this is before the confession stream. So yeah, it's literally a song about falling in love all over again. So that's yeah. Yeah, so we got the track loaded, and this one, I guess this one's also pretty simple as well. It also starts with another reverb ish, although this one doesn't have a glitch effect on it. It's also with this pluck, you know, this part. That is actually just the original melody. Is this? This is the original melody. That was supposed to be the song's main melody. Although I decided what I did is just copy pasted this, shifted down a semitone, shifted this down a semitone, and then pushed the first note a few moments out, like this. Somewhere like this, like a half. You can hear the vision, but I just deleted the excess notes here So as you can see, I just pushed them up. But that's how I made the current art right now that I have. As you can see. And that also transfers into this super saw. You can definitely tell it's a super saw by the sound of it. This actually is just a gross beat version of the song, because I actually have FL Studio producer edition, and gross beat doesn't work in producer edition. Like it's on a trial, so I have to export this, consolidate this, and then put it like this, and just automate it. As you can see. Even hear the reverb going crazy. This part, this is a transition part. This actually came from Google Translate. I just typed in "I like you" in Japanese. Okay, and then I just did a ton of processing. So I have frequency shifter. I think this is also best. This is best demonstrated with the beat. With the beat. That's one thing. DJM filter. That adds a filter, and then serum effects, which I think adds distortion. After that, I just added the piano melody here, which is pretty much the outro of the song, as well as this part. This violin, which is just BBC Symphony Orchestra, just like what I use for Somi and Hyperfixation. I honestly think this is rushed. You know, this is like I always end my songs this way, but I like it. I mean, it's doable for now, and I guess this is it for for the stream today. We're currently having internet issues, so sorry if I don't have a longer stream. Oh wait, we have somebody in the chat. Is my YouTube chat is not loading. Okay. Hello, Robles Kairu. Robles Kairu. Hello, welcome to the stream. Yeah, so we were just about to end it. Oh, is it because of the fact that my chat is not refreshing? Okay, there we go. Okay, we got it. We also have timestamps too. I'll enable timestamps. Yeah, okay. So, once again, thank you guys for watching the stream. I'm not sure if I could say Mataraishu. There's a lot of stuff I'm currently handling right now. But maybe next week. Maybe next week it'll calm down, hopefully, and I won't have to, you know, skip 2 months or the 2 weeks of streams. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Go listen to Internet Girl. So, and go join my Discord server if you're new. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. じゃあね、また来週。See you.